Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to cash out your USDT from a DeFi wallet right into your bank account. USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a stable option in the volatile crypto market. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do this safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have a DeFi wallet set up, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and that your USDT is securely stored there. The key to transferring USDT to your bank is to bridge it from the decentralized world to a centralized exchange or a fiat on-ramp service. Start by choosing a reputable platform, think Binance, Coinbase, or a new 2025 favorite like Quantum Bridge, that supports USDT withdrawals. Step 1. Log into your chosen exchange and connect your DeFi wallet using their wallet integration feature. This is super straightforward, just follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once linked, you'll see your USDT balance. Step 2. Convert your USDT to fiat currency. In 2025, many platforms have instant conversion tools, so select the option to sell USDT for USD or your local currency. Keep an eye on any conversion fees. They're usually around 0.5% to 1%, but it varies. Step 3. Initiate the withdrawal. Go to the withdrawal section, enter your bank account details, and specify the amount. Double-check everything because security is paramount in 2025's regulated crypto space. You'll likely need to verify your identity with two-factor authentication or biometric checks. Before you hit confirm, remember a few tips. Always use a secure internet connection, be aware of any taxes or regulatory requirements in your country, and expect the transfer to take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the network. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from your DeFi wallet to your bank account in 2025. It's easier than ever, but stay vigilant against scams. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.